I'm Travis Mullins, CEO and President of Linder Machinery. Currently we're at our newest facility in Bradenton, Florida. So just conducting our first open house at this location. It will be our 27th location across our 5 states. This gives us more capacity for our customer base, and we also are able to bring the Komatsu side of business into one facility along with the Kubota. Well, a lot of times that business overlaps between the Komatsu and the Kubota product line, so it gives the landscaper another avenue on some of that larger product line with the Komatsu. So this current facility is on 16 acres. It does increase our capacity in the shop to 8 bays, where previously we had 3. It does have a state-of-the-art showroom to house some of the Kubota product line that we weren't able to do at the old facility, but the most important part is product support. So that increase in that service capability is what our customers are asking for, and that's what we're giving them with this facility. It also has a state-of-the-art recycle system for our wash bay. So it recycles the water and is clean for the environment. We had approximately 27 vendors, so we call them business partners because that's what they truly are. Mainly attachments that go along with our main product lines. We did invite the Manatee Technical College students to come by and have lunch with us and kind of experience what a distributor like we do, and kind of maybe plant some seeds in their mind for future employment with us especially. The open house was a success, and it's all about bringing the community together. You know, we had Chamber of Commerce here to invite us into this area, and it's been a successful day. I'd like to thank our customers for joining us today at this open house. It means a lot to the group and a lot to the people that are locally here at this branch, and hopefully for several years to come we'll see them walk through the door every day.